2014 GT Lancer. Well, he ended up hitting a curb. Yeah, he does need rotors and brakes. See, looks a little fucked up. He did hit a curb. So yeah, we're still here. He bought these off of Facebook Market. They're not fitting, widening it up because it has a big bottom. So this is hitting, so grinding it a little bit just so it can sneak in there. Should be all right. Let's hope he doesn't crash and blow up. We are back. So I ended up buying this on Amazon. It's like it's an alignment kit. We've already installed the front coilovers, installed the rear ones. We ended up putting this. I had to cut like a little space there. Gold one. So lowered already. Alright, go for it. Oh, it looks lowered.